This video explains how to buy shares of Mycronic AB publ and walks through the basic steps. Mycronic makes high-precision production equipment for the electronics and micro-optics industry, is listed on CBOEEU as MYCR.ST, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and enter the ticker MYCR.ST to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Mycronic AB publ to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the brief company summary and the price chart. Confirm the listing displays Mycronic AB publ and the ticker MYCR.ST before continuing. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and more details, check the description below.